How to do blurred border effect. To begin, I added a video to my project and I want to create a blurred border effect like you see in social media. First, click on New button at the bottom of Project panel and select Black Video. Now set its width and height to 1080 by 1080 and click OK. Then drag the black video into Timeline to create a sequence from it. Drag your video into track above it. Then right-click on Video and select Set to Frame Size. Then adjust the length of black video to be the same as your video. Now hold down the Alt key and drag your video into track above it to create a duplicate from it. With your original video in second track selected, go to Effect Controls and increase the scale until you can't see any black borders around it. Now go to Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop Gaussian Blur effect into your original video. And set the blurriness to around 50. Now we almost have what we wanted, but the blurred video also is playing and I want it to be still. So, move the playhead at the start of video and right-click on it, and select Add Frame Hold. And now our effect is completed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.